signposting of snow. No snow here though, it's bright sun. Quite sad about it, I think I'd quite like a snow day. Can't film myself talking to the camera in the office right now because Jess is on back-to-back calls, which always sound really boring, by the way. I'm quite fortunate that all my work calls are with couples talking about their weddings, so they're always really excited and they're always quite fun. I had quite a few inquiries come in over the weekend, so my first task this morning is to reply to those. Then I've got a bit more admin to do and a little bit of that Christmas film to finish. So it may not be snowing, but it is freezing today. I always feel like on Mondays I'm just this bag of productivity, but even so, after lunch I always crash. I have to get out of the house and go for a walk or do something.